There is a big difference between a house that smells clean and a house that smells intimate. If you want to set the mood for a cozy night in, you don't want lemon fresh. You want something deeper, warmer, and more sophisticated. Today, I'm showing you a diffuser blend called Ignite and Inspire. It combines warm exotic woods with a surprising fresh top note to create a scent that is sophisticated, grounding, and perfect for setting the mood. To set the mood right now, fill your diffuser with water. I already added water to mine. Then you're gonna add 3 drops of lava. And then we're gonna do 1 drop of basil. Let's turn this on and give it a try. It's subtle but powerful. It changes the energy of the room instantly. If you want to have this ready to go whenever you need a little spark, let's make a master blend. Grab an empty 5 ml bottle and you want to add 75 drops of lava and 25 drops of basil. And now you just want to swirl to mix. Now you have a custom home fragrance ready to go. Just 5 drops into your diffuser and you're done. This smell is incredible. The sandalwood makes the room feel cozy and safe, but the little pop of basil keeps it interesting. It smells like a high-end boutique hotel, not a candy shop. And because it's all natural, you're breathing in plant benefits, mood-lifting citrus, and grounding woods instead of synthetic perfumes. This Ignite and Inspire blend was a favorite from our February recipe box. Creating a non-toxic home doesn't mean your home has to smell like plain lemon all the time. You can have complex, sophisticated scents like this one. That is what the Simply Earth recipe box is all about. We teach you how to blend oils so you can ditch the toxic handles for good. If you're watching right now, check the link to see if the February box is still available. If it's sold out, the link will take you to our current month's box, which is packed with new recipes to help you detox your home. Plus, subscribers get the big bonus box for free, which includes the amber bottles you need to make master blends like this. I'd love to know, what is your favorite scent for a cozy night in? Do you like warm woods or sweet florals? Let me know in the comments. If you make this blend, tag us and hashtag I made this. See you in the next video.